Good morning, guys.
Yes, let's slow it down.
Everyone says, "Oh, we look younger."
Yeah.
Okay,
Mommy.
have a safe flight. Where's
Okay.
my kiss?
It's.
They cannot see.
They cannot see what I'm kissing.
I'm sweating.
Yeah.
I'm sweating.
Okay, honey.
Have a safe flight.
All right. So I already got my boarding pass and everything. So I just,
Okay.
I'll call you from Denver when I get to the hotel room.
Okay. See
Because
you.
the kids were asking, and I said, "Well, I'll see you on obviously FaceTime."
Okay.
So.
Yeah, maybe after our next level go target
yeah.
and come
When you
home.
get back.
Yeah.
Yeah, just message me. I'll tell you when I land, but
Okay.
so.
Drive safely.
Okay.
Yeah. You're excited.
Drive
You're.
all the way out to. No, I gotta drive all the way out to Bell Road.
I know.
Jeez.
Love
Okay,
you.
honey. See you later. Love you.
Love you guys.
Bye, guys. Love you.
Okay, continuation ako ng aking workout, guys. Workout tayo. Hi, guys! Kakatapos ko lang naligo. Hindi pwedeng hindi maligo, guys. Kasi super pawis ko after nag-exercise. Nag-treadmill din ako ng 1 oras. Labas muna tayo kasi kukunin natin yung nasa mailbox daw yung in-order ko na panghalo ko sa taho ni Liam ba. Nag-request kasi ng taho si Liam, guys. And first time ko siyang gagawin. Alam niyo naman dito, not unlike sa Pilipinas na may taho talaga na may nagtitinda ng taho dito. Hindi ko alam saan ako maghanap ng taho. I-request ni Liam na taho daw. Diba yan? So ito, guys, na ako paano siya lutuin. So nag-ano ako ng coagulant panghalo ng taho. Kasi yung gagawin ko is from soybean talaga, hindi sa soya milk. Soybean yung kaya nakabili ako last time from sa isang online shop. Ito, dumating na siya. Ano ba ito? Okay. Is this my voters? Dumating na ba yung ko? Sa asawa ko pala ito lahat. Sa kanya lahat. Akala ko dumating na yung para makapag-vote na ako dito sa USA. So, itong dalawa na to, guys. Itong isa go. And then, itong isa is coagulant. Coagulant for for taho. So, magsusoak ako mamaya kasi nakasoak na ako last time. Nakapag-soak na ako last time, guys. Hindi pala siya pwedeng ilang days na is-soak kasi aasim daw yung taho. Buti na lang research muna ako bago ko masasayang yung taho ko. Ito, maliliit na guys, na tapioca, and then ito yung coagulant. Si Liam, favorite kasi ni Liam kasi nung umuwi kami, guys, sa Pinas, yung si Mang Taho laging dumadaan sa bahay namin. So every time na dumadaan sa bahay namin, ito coagulant, tofu coagulant. Hindi pinapalagpas ni Liam. Talagang bumibili siya ng tag 20 pesos. Si Brianna, hindi siya mahilig sa taho. Si Liam lang. Kaya dumating, kasama pala ito yung yung vitamin C moisturizing serum para sa face natin, guys. Ayan. So mamaya ako ng yung soya. Ako yung maghumol ba? Sa Bisaya, maghumol. Nakalimutan ko na magtagalog, guys. Ay nagutom ako. Coffee ako or o prutas lang. Siguro na ako. Smoothie lang ako, guys. Smoothie tayo. Kaso lang naubusan ako ng soy milk, naubusan ako ng almond milk. Maglista pala ako ng almond milk. Mamaya, dadalhin ko yung 2 kids. Wait, nasaan na ba si pupunta. Mamaya may soccer si Brianna at saka si Liam, soccer practice nila. And then pupunta tayo ng Target kasi bibili ako ng conditioner at saka pang-gift kasi si Liam may party siya, yung kaklase niya, in-invite siya for the birthday party for tomorrow. Dito lang din sa amin, malapit. So, pumayag ako na kapitbahay lang namin. Dito lang sa lugar na to ba? Parang 3 minutes lang yata o 5 minutes lang yung drive. So, ayan, bibili kami ng pang-gift. Sasalihan ko na rin ng almond na milk. Kasi yun ang hinahalo ko guys for my smoothie. Ngayon, nagutom ako. Siguro magkakape lang muna ako guys. I'm trying to, guys, I avoid eating kasi avoid eating talaga pero gabi lumalamon. Tayo guys, magbabakasyon tayo. We are going to We are going to Tahiti next month. So kailangan 16 tayo. Magsusuot tayo ng one piece doon guys. Dapat hindi tayo yung mukhang bloated. I'm trying my best guys no na hindi sana ba yung kape ko dito yung hindi ko mahagilan si kape ko guys. Ano ba yung nilagay? Alam ko may coffee pa talaga ako ay. Okay. Ito na nga, sa sobrang tamos ng ilong, hindi na nakita, nasa harapan ko lang guys. Ito yung coffee ko. Yan, skinny coffee. May maganda ito siya guys kasi may na rin siya, collagen. Ayan, magkakape tayo. And then, kakain lang ako ng strawberries. Yun lang yung masarap yung dinner namin kahapon kasi si Mr. nagpunta ng Costco. Bumili ng halibut na fish. Yun yung dinner namin kahapon. Pero ito, kakain natin ito guys. Kakain tayo ng strawberries. Okay guys, ito na yung strawberries natin. Lagyan ko siya ng raspberry. And then, lagyan ko lang siya ng konting milk kasi naubusan kami ng yogurt guys. Milk, konting milk lang. Ganyan na yung natin, breakfast and lunch. Lunch. Wala na pala kami yogurt. Yan, konti lang. Almond milk sana wala eh. Mamaya pa ako makabili ng almond milk. Okay, and then coffee. Kain. Ang hirap mag-diet, guys. Sarap kasing lumamon. Tapos kape. Tapos yung water ko is yung lemon water na may cucumber. Ito. Ayan. So, ito yung water ko, guys. We'll do it tomorrow morning, okay?
Why?
We'll do it tomorrow morning. Your taho, okay? So, how's your day? Did you really miss taho? Come here. Where's my kiss?
Chocolate.
Oh! Did you wash your hands? How's your day?
Okay.
And you didn't give me a kiss. You came home without giving a kiss. Okay. Are you ready to go? I think we're early, guys.
No, it's okay.
Huh? Are you ready? How about you, Liam? Are you ready? How about your water bottle? Oh, mommy's water bottle there. Okay, you're ready to go to the soccer. Don't make a mess inside the car, okay? They are having sweets
To get energy.
to get some energy. Are you ready, Liam?
No. I'm not welcome.
It's okay, I can wait. We're early anyway.
What? The cake was delicious.
Medyo maaga kami guys, kaya yung driving ko
Later we get
is
2. So those 2 yellows and 2 reds. So I'm gonna get 1 yellow. You're gonna
pagungis
get
drive.
1 yellow. I'm gonna get 1
Pero
red.
hindi ka
you're
pwede
gonna get
magpagungis drive dito. Pipipan ka. May magbibip sa'yo sa likod guys. What's that, Lee? You are so excited, both of you. Are you gonna see? Are you gonna left and right? Thank you. So where are you going, guys?
Oh, so we're gonna go to Chili's. No, it has no name. Yeah,
Hey, watch out! Watch out! There's a car.
it has no name.
Okay. We are going to Charlie.
Oh, you ready to ask mine? Oh, guys. Yeah. All right.
Hi guys! We are back! So, ito yung binili namin from the Target. Ito yung pangregalo ni Liam. And yung pambalot. Ayan. Paper bag na lang yung binili ko guys. And then almond milk. And then ito, maganda to siya na brand. Pag nandito ka sa US, this is not sponsored pero maganda yan siya na brand. Anti-liner. Or even yung napkins niyan, maganda. I need this one. Conditioner sa buhok. Since magta-travel kami ng Tahiti, we need this one guys para sa mga kids. Yan, kasi napaganuhan ko, madami daw lamok doon. Then, kailangan ko rin to sa hair kasi nagda-dry na yung hair ko. Ano pala ako, putol ng buhok. Next week. Then, snacks ng mga kids yan. At saka ito. Favorito ng kids, guys. Yan. Yan lang yung nabili natin sa Target. And then, bumili din sila ng ice cream. Silang dalawa. Ayan, kumain na. That's too loud! So, the kids are having ice cream while watching TV.
Hi.
How's your ice cream?
Good. You want some?
Yeah. How about your ice cream? Don't eat. Okay?
Yeah, Mom. Is this enough or no? Here comes the airplane.
Here comes the airplane. Wait.
Mom, come here. Good morning. Come here.
I need a little bit. I don't need much. Thank you. Thank you. Hi guys. Kids are sleeping already. So matutulog na rin ako guys. Mag-good night na ako. I just want to say thank you for watching sa vlog namin. And see you tomorrow. Good night. At nakapag ano na ako guys. Nakapag babad na ako ng soybeans for tomorrow. And sana tomorrow, naglabas ako ng ayan, butter. Kasi gagawa ako ng ano, yung banana cake. Kasi may banana akong nanguyot na dito guys. Ayaw kong itapon. Hinaya ko. Sayang. Ayan. Super kuyot na. Di pa mag-good-night na ako. Anyway. Good night. Pagbaba pa yan talaga guys. Thank you so much for watching. And see you sa sunod na vlog namin. Bye!